rotate the ball. The ball must come to the left touch line. Touch mfana kithi. Sikaitsa dintho tse ngata man. You are not delicious. Hey, these two. Watch. Zogcina nishayisane balithatha ibhola bayokora. Keep it simple. Ball on the left must go to the right. Now watch. These two guys, when you play uSibelebele as a half 10, wamulaya lena mfana kithi, wamulaya. Now sharp. Touches on the right hand side, comes back. Now you look at Ubans. Like, this guy is not dangerous. Why are you focusing on Uhoto here instead of coming back and helping here it defends? Okay, sharp. Continue. Ball is on the left man. Pagat inside. Because why? The ball started on the left, it went on the right, then it came back. Gupi on the left hand side. What happened? Kuvuleki space. Let me show you. Kuvuleki space because ibola liya rotate. Rotation. Now watch. Look at the left back. The ball is moving. He's walking. He's in the park. He's walking. He's in the park. Sharp. Now watch this. Look at the space in between this guy and this guy. Space between this guy and this guy. Ukhona bani? Police. Uyi-1. Free. Cross. Yes, center back could have done better. But the left back, your job is to cover your center back. Mara, what were you doing? You were strolling, Panagit. You were strolling. No. You need to cover. And the good thing about this, rotate the ball. You'll always find space if you rotate ibola. Ibola mele lithinte ka right, libuye futhi lithinte ka left.